Our presentation is on vehicle support systems and how they're used today. And they use GPS systems just like any other navigation system you've seen. And they also use wireless capabilities just like your cell phones and stuff. And they were used separately, but now they've just been put together, and GM and Daimler Chrysler are on the forefront of this. And like I said, they use the GPS system, just like any navigation system you see in a vehicle or any handheld GPS system, that uses at least 24 satellites that transmit microwave signals, and that can locate your vehicle at any time, tell you its speed and direction. And it also uses analog and digital radio waves, just like your cell phone does.
Why should we care about this technology? These two systems work together to make the vehicle more safe for the owner and those around them. It increases their convenience by it can save them time and increase productivity. Also, it is made available on more vehicles each year, and there's a good chance that at some point in the future you will own a vehicle with this technology. What can a vehicle support system do for the owner of the vehicle? Depending on the manufacturer and the model, the integrated GPS and wireless system can allow users of it to receive turn-by-turn driving directions, make dinner, hotel, or travel accommodations, receive roadside assistance in event of a mechanical problem, and ask a manufacturer specialist about their vehicle. In addition to those features, it can also receive automatic medical assistance in the event of a crash, or you can request emergency medical assistance in a different sort of emergency. Also, you can unlock the vehicle remotely should you lock your keys in the car. It can flash vehicle lights and honk a horn in order for you to be able to more easily find your vehicle in a crowded parking lot. And last but not least, it can determine mechanical problems without having to drive to a mechanic using onboard diagnostic systems. Also, a vehicle can be used as a hands-free mobile telephone, and GPS system can be used to locate a stolen vehicle, and a vehicle slowdown feature can actually slow down and stop a stolen vehicle by cutting the power of the engine to the vehicle. Which manufacturers offer this? There are currently two vehicle manufacturers offering this technology. Mercedes-Benz is offering their TeleAid system, and GM has the OnStar system. The Mercedes-Benz TeleAid system was introduced in 1999. Continuous improvements have been made to this in the last 8 years, and many features have been added. It uses a digital and analog cellular link and GPS system. The digital and analog link has been changed for the 2008 model year to all digital. This is a $650 option on a new Mercedes-Benz, and there's a $240 yearly subscription fee. This will eventually become standard equipment on all Mercedes, but the subscription fee will remain. Some of the features of TeleAid. The TeleAid system has 3 buttons. There's an information button, an emergency aid button, and a roadside assistance button. The information button can connect the user with a concierge. It can make lodging, dining, and travel accommodations. You can book a hotel, make a dinner reservation, or even book a flight. This can also connect the user to a vehicle specialist in the event that they have any model-specific questions about their vehicle. And last but not least, this also enables the hands-free mobile phone feature, which can be used for personal or business communication and is actually more safe than using a traditional cell phone. The emergency aid or SOS button can be pressed in case of a medical emergency. Should the vehicle be involved in an airbag deployment crash, the TeleAid system will automatically request medical attention. Imminent collisions are also detected by the GPS system through the SOS and emergency aid system, and the TeleAid system will automatically tighten the seat belts in the vehicle and prepare the airbags for optimum deployment timing in order to prevent any further injury. The roadside assistance button can be pressed to call for assistance with any kind of mechanical problem. A TeleAid operator can arrange for a tow truck to pick your vehicle up, or it can help troubleshoot an existing problem with the vehicle. The TeleAid operator can also unlock a vehicle should the keys become locked inside of it.
GM's OnStar was introduced in 1996, and it first came out on a Cadillac. And it's offered now in 8 different GM brands and over 50 different models. And in '97, it only had 1,100 subscribers, and the last report in 2003, it had 2.5 million. The option to get a new GM vehicle with it, the option is $695, and packages is starting as low as $199 a year. And it has some additional features that the Mercedes TeleAid doesn't offer. It offers the turn-by-turn GPS navigation, and it's not even required to have a DVD screen there in front of you. They can give you the directions, by voice activation, and can give you a vehicle diagnostics test, let you know when you need a little air in your front tires, maybe need an oil change, a little windshield washer fluids low. It can tell you all that information. And can also help the police find your vehicle in case it was stolen, and in case it is stolen and the guy feels a little frisky and wants to run, the police OnStar can actually kill the power from the engine, so you can still steer and brake the car, but it can no longer accelerate. By pressing the blue OnStar button, the user can receive any non-emergency roadside assistance, like your turn-by-turn with the GPS, or get your vehicle diagnostics and all that good stuff. And I'm sure you've all seen that Jeff Gordon commercial where he's in his brand new 2008 Chevy Suburban and gets a quick diagnostic check on his vehicle. Everything was good, and they even told him the closest car wash to get to. And if the vehicle is stolen, the police in pursuit, the power isn't killed to the whole vehicle. It's just killed from the engine to keep from accelerating or keep running from the cops, but it still leaves you capable of steering and braking the vehicle. And in conclusion, these growing technologies enable consumers to increase their productivity while ensuring the safety and increasing the safety of other consumers as well. As these technologies evolve and become more widely used, it is likely to become an important business tool for travel-oriented careers. And this is Elliott Luther.
And Michael Richards.
And that's our presentation.